Imagine this. A hacker breaks into your company's network and steals sensitive data, such as customer information, financial records, or trade secrets. What would you do? And how much would it cost you? In today's digital landscape, the protection of networks and data access has become a critical concern for organizations of all sizes. Cyber threats have become more sophisticated and prevalent, making it imperative for companies to proactively manage cybersecurity risks as a crucial aspect of their operations. However, relying solely on technological solutions is no longer enough to combat cyber threats. Organizations need to actively manage cybersecurity risks by adopting a comprehensive approach that combines people, processes, and technology. This approach will help organizations stay ahead of cyber threats, minimize the impact of potential breaches, and maintain business continuity. Watch out for these cybersecurity risks. Cybersecurity risks are a real and ongoing threat to businesses of all sizes. To protect your organization, it's essential to stay informed and prepared. Here are some of the common cybersecurity risks to watch out for. First, phishing scams and social engineering attacks. These are attempts to trick individuals into giving away sensitive information or clicking on malicious links, often through emails, phone calls, or messages that appear to be from legitimate sources. Second, ransomware or malware infections. These are malicious programs that can infect a computer or network and take control of files or systems, often demanding payment in exchange for release or restoration. Third, distributed denial of service attacks and website defacements. These are attacks that overwhelm a website or network with traffic or deface it with unauthorized content, often with the goal of causing disruption or spreading a message. Fourth, insider threats and data breaches. These are risks that come from employees, contractors, or other authorized individuals who misuse their access to sensitive information or systems, or from external attackers who successfully breached security measures. As cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, they can cause serious damage to your organization's reputation, revenue, and operations. You need to protect your organization from these threats. But how? That's where cybersecurity risk and compliance comes in. This course will teach you how to assess, manage, and mitigate cyber risks in your organization. You will learn how to comply with relevant laws and regulations, implement best practices and standards, and develop a cybersecurity culture and awareness. Here are some of the main deliverables of the course. Understand the current threat landscape and its impact to the business. Assess the risks of emerging threat profiles to your organization. Comprehend cyber threats and controls, such as viruses, phishing scams, and social engineering threats. Analyze the development of cybersecurity over time and its impact through case studies. Evaluate the impact of cyber attacks and identify business process and recovery priorities. Adhere to regional cybersecurity, computer crime, and data protection laws and regulations. Don't wait until it's too late. Enroll in our cybersecurity risk and compliance training today. Contact us for more details.